Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Nikita. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check out on the social media platforms, here are all the links. Alright, welcome to today's video. For today's video, we are doing a blast from the past. We are going to watch Baby Latika, first year college Latika. And yes, I was basically in Delhi University and I was part of the fashion society of my college, and gosh, it was such an experience. I thought it would be a really interesting video to first of all share that experience, talk all about it. You know, as it is, it's a fashion society of Delhi University, so all the spicy gossip. Were there cat fights? How was my experience like? Was it toxic? And most importantly, I'm going to be sharing a few clips, a few pictures. I have videos of us performing. I have videos of me performing. Honestly, it wasn't great. So, and like tons of behind the scenes pictures I have with me because it was a really interesting phase of my college life. So I thought, sit down while most of us are home and maybe some of you are waiting to go to Delhi University. And of course, before we move on, a disclaimer, my opinion is purely based on my experience of my college, of my society, and even now things might have changed a lot. Okay, so first let's get into the basics of like a Delhi University society and why I applied, what all was there. Now I entered DU, there are tons of societies. There's a debate society, there was a theatre society, there was an acting society, and honestly mera usme interest nahi gaya. And then I see a fashion society. Now you guys must be thinking that of course if I would have seen a fashion society, of course I would have joined it because you know I'm doing the whole fashion YouTuber thing. But 2015, this was 2015. 2015 Latika was not close to the fashion world. Like at least not on the surface. And on the college bulletin board, which is literally our only source of information, there is this poster for auditions of the fashion society. And then I look into it and I'm like, yeah, why not? Like the YouTube mera passion list mein nahi tha, fashion nahi tha, kuch bhi nahi tha. But I was just like, it must be fun, it'll be fun, why not? Let's give it a shot, let's see hota kya hai. And also our college ki fashion society was the top rated society that year. So I thought, ye bhi acha hai ki kuch achhi society mein ja rahe hai. And again, when I sum up, I'll come to this point, but just remember that on the surface at this point I was just, you know, applying for fun. Now let's talk about the selection procedure and how I got in. तो बहुत simple सा poster था inviting everyone for auditions. There was no height criteria, nothing as such, and the only thing that was written was that bring 3 inches heels, I remember, and dress your best. That was the only thing written. बाकी कुछ idea नहीं था क्या होगा, ये pageant type होगा, क्या करना पड़ेगा, question पूछेंगे, no idea. And now that I think about it, I think I WhatsApped a senior asking if height is an issue. Yes, I have messaged a senior and I'll insert the screenshot here. Want to register for auditions? Auditions are on this. Heels should be minimum 3 inches. No wedges and block heels allowed. Don't wear long skirts, gown, plazos or anything loose. Okay, now that I think of it, is this sexist? My next message is, hey, another thing is height a restriction? Not as such, you just have to be confident. Cool. Okay, let's come down to the audition day itself. It lasted first of all the whole day. The first round was simply that you just have to walk in heels, confidently pose like a ramp walk and come back. Then the second round also was walking, and also first round के बाद लोग eliminate हो गए थे, so वो हुआ. And then in the second round, I think you had to come in pairs of 2 and then walk down. Now honestly, I cannot remember for the life of me the third round. I don't think we were asked a question, but और कुछ like हटके भी नहीं था. या तो question होगा या basic introduction हुआ होगा या तो फिर से walk हुई होगी. But that's all that happened, at least for my society. Now that I look back, I start to think that why was heels such a compulsion and why was the society just about wearing tall heels and just ramp walking? Like, why was heels necessary to be fashion? And secondly, in our particular year, there was no division. Like fashion में कितना कुछ आता है. You have performers, you have designers, you have makeup artists, you have so much. For our year, it was just this basic criteria. I do know कि बाद में they started getting makeup artists and designers separately, and it wasn't necessary that to do the behind the scenes, to do the creative work, you have to be the face or the performer. So हाँ, वो हर society का vary करेगा. So this all happened, and then at the end of the day, they announced, I think they picked 20 girls or something. Again, I don't don't remember. They of course pick more than like they need, because a lot of people drop out throughout the year, mainly because again, if you're in first year and if you join a society, you probably will not attend classes at all. Again, this is speaking truly from my experience, but you do get attendance if you know you are part of a society. That gets cleared out, but you will barely attend classes. And honestly, at that point, Latika, who was for I don't know what reason doing economics, was really happy not attending classes. So all of that happens, I get selected, really happy. I'm like, cool, it'll be a new experience, fun experience. And then we come to the first day of practice, which was actually the first day interacting with seniors. Now also, because this was just out of school, it's so necessary to take in these new experiences with your open eyes and open ears. First day it was the first time interacting with adults kind of outside of your school life. And I also remember that all the seniors expected us to call them Didi, which was very weird, because in school we had never even come close to calling our seniors Didi Bhaiya. So that happened, and then I come to the first day. And honestly, at this point, which is my advice for young kids, college kids, I just go with the intention of absorbing everything. Okay, now I didn't want this video to just be me talking about everything, because there's still a lot to talk about. So what I thought is that I'll first share the video of my first ever performance, and then share more details, share as and when we see the video, just react and just tell you more details about it. Okay, so this is the opening sequence. ये काफी लंबा 50 seconds का voice over है, and our theme is basically Save the Tiger, to give you some context, and जो opening है वो उसी के बारे में है. Okay. So this song is based about, honestly, goosebumps आते थे ये opening sequence सुन के. This theme was really nice, and I don't know if you spotted me till now, but that's me on the left. And my hair, I will show you this video from multiple angles also. काफी angles है मेरे पास, but my hair is all frizzled. And yes, because I'm the shortest, I think मैं सबसे आगे थी. It's always an advantage to be short. And so this particular sequence that you're going to see is basically a slow walk. तो सारे 6 के 6 लोग ऐसे formation में धीरे धीरे चल रहे हैं, which felt really cool. Also, इतना pressure था, honestly, because if you look, we are 6 people who are looking in different directions, right? But that step had to be the same for the impact to come. And if you look at me, I can't look at anyone else behind me, so you literally had to follow the beats, Hai Jo Lahu. I still remember it. And yes, as usual, short height, सबसे आगे. So yes, all of us had glitter हमारे hand से from the start, and इस पे तक clearly नहीं दिख रहा है, but stage पे it used to look really nice with all the lights. I don't know if you noticed that timing, but जैसे ही वो सामने वाली बंदी आगे गई, as soon as she crossed us, both of us turned and went to our marking. So I went on this side, this wala person went पीछे, and then पीछे wala person is getting prepared to come आगे. Last thing, I know my video बहुत pause कर रही है, and you guys are like, please let us just watch it. But do you notice my pose? So this was the standing pose, where your feet had to be in a T. So your right foot had to be like this, left foot had to be like this, and shoulders back, and you had to stand like this. Now let's see rest of the video and my solo walk. There's a different angle to it. that was my first ever solo walk. In case you don't get it, let me show you first from a different angle. So yeah, the basically dress was supposed to be black all over, and then as you open the skirt, you show pura tiger ke prints on it. It was beautiful, honestly. My dress was my favorite. And last me, did you see when we had to, like, as we turned and as we took that step, then you know I moved the skirt. I loved this outfit, and it's all black, my favorite. And even the halter neck, I feel like really suited me. Okay, I have another video of our slow walk. Let's see that. Outfit ka I also have a picture. This one, oh my god, such a throwback. My makeup, honestly, for the first time, it's not bad at all. So yeah, now let me tell you another thing. This was my first like interaction with makeup. Before this, I had probably only applied eyeliner and like a gloss or something sometime. I never used to touch makeup before this, and I hated it in fact at that point. But fashion show के लिए compulsory था, and ऐसे ही हमारे पास पूरी list आई थी कि makeup kit में ये होना चाहिए, and oh my god, I was like ये सब खरीदना है एक साथ. And it was such a, obviously, like, because decent makeup खरीदना था, so I remember it being like the entire amount being so much, and I was like shit, yeah, why do I have to buy all of this? Okay, so this is the message I found before before the first performance. So hello beautiful girls, I hope you're not pampering yourself enough for tomorrow. So yes, this is how talks used to happen. Not exactly my vibe, but yes, it was a very typical girly talk, you know, situation. Tomorrow is the first day. Don't forget my angels that we seniors will be there for you. So it's also very sweet, yaar. Like, ठीक है, अब मैं ऐसे बात नहीं करता. And if someone talks to me like this now, I'll be like, why? But जो भी है, it was from the best intention. Okay, now let's move on to the second performance. Now, ये तो हो गया what our seniors had prepared the theme for last year. Now, while we were performing this, and जो भी initial starting में shows थे, उसमें हम यही theme perform करते थे. But this year, like our year, we also had to create a new theme. Every year, the theme used to change.
Recall, invaded my body, rape.
Okay, so this theme was child abuse, which was, you know, I'm really glad we chose that theme. And banner पे break the silence लिखा हुआ, if you can see. Have you all spotted me yet? I am again in black shit, man. This was like meant to be. I am right there, Piche, wearing this. It was like a tube sequin dress completely. So yes, every single thing was timed. Again, we weren't looking that like my partner, we weren't looking at each other. So जब front वाले main stage cross करते थे, then we exactly used to start walking at their next step. And then like 4 steps after, exactly we looked at each other. At one point we stopped, and then free we started walking again backwards. So we are playing kind of the evil here. Okay, so the idea was really nice that, you know, we were stripping out of the color, like this evil was stripping out of the color from the children. But we're walking with gowns on the ramp, yeah, like. What is this? Yeah, we just walked and we, you know, showed the garment. अब नॉर्मल वॉक है, लाइक सबकी स्लो वॉक है. एंड हाँ, यहाँ पे करते हैं. So did you see that coordination? There were 3 people, and exactly जब उन्होंने अपना पीछे वाला step लिया, all 5 of us started walking, and those 3, like each person went between 5 of us. Pretty solid, like effort. Like that took a lot of time. And then yes, that's me. Oh, I even have like a headgear on. Cool. इतना स्ट्रेस होता था ना कि भाई अम्ब्रेला खुलेगा या नहीं खुलेगा. ऑब्वियसली आई कुडंट क्लोज इट पूरा. वो एकदम जैसे ही हम रोटेट करते तब ऐसे खुल के ऊपर रखना था. इट वॉज वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल. लाइक ट्रस्ट मी, दिस लिटिल थिंग्स बहुत टेंशन होती थी. एंड द थिंग इज दैट because everyone is in sync, if you mess up you will be visible, like your galti will be popping out on there. So I don't know if you've seen, but सबके हाथ में अब फैन आ गए हैं. उन्होंने कहीं नीचे से उठाए हैं. एंड दैट गर्ल ऑन द एक्सट्रीम राइट, सो शी वाज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी, एंड वो वेव कर रही है क्योंकि एक बत्ती का फैन नहीं है. एंड अभी दिखेगा वो वीडियो में. आई थिंक वो मिसअप हो जाता है. तो उसने फेंका अभी पीछे. एंड आई थिंक अब सबको मिल गया फैन. अच्छा, नाउ फैन का ऑल्सो वॉच अस गोइंग लाइक दिस. वॉच द सिंक्रोनाइजेशन. ओह या, सो मेरी पार्टनर का वो फैन नहीं आया. आई डोंट नो वाई वे वेविंग द फैग्स. डोंट आस्क मी, डोंट आस्क मी. आई डोंट नो कि ये तो ठीक ठाक खोलने वाला, बट ये क्यों कर रहे हैं मुझे नहीं पता. There are a couple of more pictures that I have, and I don't know why I'm in the mood कि अब ये देख लिया है. सबसे embarrassing part तो photos तो देख ही लो. So this is a close up of like the opening shot in my first performance. This is the जो मेन वाला कॉस्ट्यूम था. इवन आई वोर इट. ऑनेस्टली बहुत शोज होते थे. लाइक एक टाइम पे एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे, एवरी डे शोज होते थे. एवरी डे कॉलेज यूज टू हैव इट्स ओन फेस्ट, एंड मोस्टली सब में फैशन कॉम्पिटिशन होता था. सो इट यूज टू बी एन इंटर कॉलेज कॉम्पिटिशन वेयर ऑफकोर्स यू वर जज्ड. आई थिंक द क्राइटेरिया वॉज ऑब्वियसली द कॉस्ट्यूम्स, the like there was a brief given as well, then the theme, and then how you're performing, all of that. So it used to be a lot of fun, and obviously सब लोग हर competition में नहीं आ पाते थे. So our costumes also कभी कभी change होते थे. Used to switch up roles because of dress fittings and everything. So मेरे को अपनी वो black dress के अलावा ये वाली dress fit आती थी. So yes, this is me in that colorful costume. I again don't know what's going on with that face. So this is the picture of the black outfit up close. It was a really nice sequin tube dress. Oh, the gloves are really nice. Okay, another picture, and have a close look at the eye makeup. It's a black and yellow eyeshadow with no gradient whatsoever. It's not a black smoky eye, it's not a yellow color. I don't know it's what this is. Really fun. Going to, like, I've been to so many colleges, मुझे नाम भी नहीं याद at this point. Like this one also, Amod, I don't know ये कहाँ का है, कौन से college का है. Like you lose track of it. Oh, this is such a cute group picture. In the process you make tons of memory, tons of friends. Of course, if you vibe with the same person, then people do end up being friends for a long time. So then this is another performance. Again, oh gosh, I can't remember this college, but I think this was Gargi or something. Like, please drop down in case you recognize your college, or in case you find photos of me performing at your show in 2015, 2016. This was somewhere in Noida. This was Symbiosis Noida, where like this day I didn't perform, I just went to help backstage. Oh yeah, and this was the third dress I used to wear, like the third option. And I loved this dress also. It was called the Heartbeat dress, and this was probably Ramjas if I'm not wrong. Preparation for NAAC. What does that mean? I don't recall. Those were all the images and all the videos and all the embarrassment that I had to go through. Honestly, I am, you know, deep down, this was my first experience with the fashion and makeup world in whatever form. So even though there are some embarrassing videos of me and those weren't great walks, but still, like, this chapter of my life opened me up to the fashion and makeup world in a way that I did not expect. As I mentioned before that, I went into the experience with a very it'll be fun, you know, वो सब हो जाएगा. Intercity भी जाने को मिलेगा, जो कभी हुआ नहीं मेरे बैच में. But usually you also used to go to other city and other colleges to perform. But so I thought वैसे होगा. But deep down, like, मेरा एक जो surface में hidden love था for fashion and makeup, I think it got expressed through this phase, which is why it's so important that, especially in your college life, like, this is the point I was trying to make, that be open to possibilities. try and follow your gut, because that is the time when you can take the risk. If I hadn't joined the society, and even though it's obviously not close to like YouTube and वो सब का world, but still कहीं ना कहीं वो expression जो मेरे हमेशा से था to express myself in the form of fashion and makeup, कहीं ना कहीं that came through, and I just explored that through the society. So I'm always like grateful for this chapter. Follow your gut, follow your heart. Sometimes you never know what your subconscious or your hidden actual mind is trying to tell you, actual passion is trying to tell you. The last thing, if the entire environment was toxic and were there any cat fights, so honestly drama tha. There was a lot of drama. ऐसे कुछ इतने cruel vibes या कहीं ऐसे कुछ नहीं चल रहे थे, but there were cat fights here and there. There were ego clashes. It wasn't toxic because I never stepped into that. I could never do drama and never get into these ego clashes. So I stayed away from all of that as much as possible. I hated that. Oh my god, this is probably gonna be one of my longest videos, but I hope you enjoyed because I was having so much fun just reminiscing everything. In case you really like this video, and maybe if you have lots of questions or lots of like assumptions and some more questions, then I can maybe think of doing a part 2 and try and dig up more images and pictures. So let me know how you enjoyed this video, and yes, any other ideas, suggestions, feedback, comments, as usual, drop them down in the comments box below, and I shall see you very soon with another video.